أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of God, the most beneficial, the most merciful. This flag commemorates the official groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the 29-kilometer road from Galtimari, Guanandarajia, Valley to Tuesday, 6 February 2024, to the glory of God, to the benefit of all the communities along the route, the Shira local government, both state and Nigeria, inshallah.
Thank you, sir. Watch out!